बात करें उन फूलों की, बात करें उन फूलों की जिनसे महका यह उपवन है, जो सुबह की चाय, दोपहर का अलार्म, शाम की थकान को करे कम है, जिनकी ममता में एक अलग ही महक है और जिनके सीख ने जीवन में दिए पंख हैं। दादा दादी तो वे फूल हैं जो हर बाग में नहीं खिलते, वो खुशनसीब होते हैं जिन्हें दादा दादी मिलते हैं।
Respected Principal Madam, HM Madam, teachers, parents, grandparents and my dear children. A very warm good afternoon and a hearty welcome to all. We are honored to have Mrs. Mitravinda Rao in charge principal, HM Madam Mrs. V. Sai Padma with us. I am Mrs. Jyotsna
and Mrs. Pushpa Tripathi.
We welcome parents, students and grandparents on behalf of KV Tirumalgiri to a very special day as we fondly celebrate Grandparents' Day. It is my privilege to welcome all the parents and grandparents of the little children studying in the school. We are glad about your presence.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय तिरुमलगिरी आज अपने विद्यालय परिवार के साथ मिलकर उन मजबूत स्तंभों का सम्मान करने के लिए एकत्रित हुआ है जिनकी उपस्थिति मात्र का मतलब ही है सबकी भलाई और सकारात्मकता का विधत्व जश्न। पर सर्वप्रथम YouTube व Facebook के माध्यम से हमसे जुड़े सभी महानुभावों, उप प्राचार्य महोदया श्रीमती मित्रवृंदा राव, मुख्य अध्यापिका महोदया श्रीमती साई पद्मा मैम, ज्ञानी शिक्षक बंधुओं, अभिभावकों व नन्हे मुन्ने छात्र छात्राओं का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आप सभी का सानिध्य व आपकी सतत ऊर्जा हम सबके लिए वरदान की तरह है।
Grandparents are the perfect mix of wisdom, love and splash of magic. As we seek to strengthen the enduring values of the family, it is appropriate that we honor our grandparents who are important to children in so many ways. They have patience and time when our parents are too busy. They have stories to tell and interesting games to play. Grandparents are our heritage and are essential member of our families and communities. That is why a special day, Grandparents' Day, is set aside every year to honor them. And on this special day, it is a special day for us to spend some time with our dear grandparents and have fun together.
साथियों, जैसे कि हमारी सांस्कृतिक परंपरा है, किसी भी आयोजन को मंगलमय बनाने के लिए हम दीप प्रज्वलन करके माँ भारती और माँ सरस्वती से सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः की कामना करते हैं। इसी परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज के समारोह के सम्माननीय मुख्य अतिथि उप प्राचार्य महोदया श्रीमती मित्रवृंदा राव से मंगल ज्योति प्रज्वलित करने का अनुरोध इन पंक्तियों के साथ करती हूँ। आओ प्रभु से हम दुआ मांगे, आओ प्रभु से हम दुआ मांगे, जिंदगी जीने की अदा मांगे, अपने खातिर तो बहुत मांगा है, आओ आज सबके लिए दुआ मांगे।
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः। शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः। शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते, दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते। दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः, दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः। दीपो हरतु मे पापम्, सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते। ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं, ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः। ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं, ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः। आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च, मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे।
The sparkle of fire is the witness of your worth. The silent flowers of the water is the witness of your softness. The rising of the sun in the east and the sunset in the west is the witness of your rhythm. The rhythmical movement of the moon is the witness of your perfection. To begin this auspicious occasion, may I invite the students' choir group to lead the prayer, to invoke the Almighty and seek the blessings. Thank you, dear children, for creating a heavenly atmosphere with your angelic voice. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. It is my pleasure to invite Mrs. Mitravinda Rao, in charge principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri, who is the pillar of strength and motivation, to officially welcome everyone gathered here.
Respected grandparents, parents, staff members, and my dear students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri. It gives me great pleasure that our tiny tots are celebrating Grandparents' Day with such a great enthusiasm under the guidance of their teachers and parents. On this auspicious occasion, I welcome you all. When I saw greetings and messages written by our tiny tots to their grandparents, I was really very excited and very happy to know that our students appreciate grandparents' love and they respect them so much. It is true that grandparents are parents, teachers, and above all, they are friends to their grandchildren. Children learn so much from their grandparents, and the experience and wisdom that they have is something so precious. They are taught by their grandparents in a very friendly manner that parents nowadays are unable to do because of their busy schedule and due to their work conditions. I hope that this is all because grandparents give their children a quality time. They love them. They teach the rules of life in such a friendly and I must say in a scientific manner through stories, through smiles, through hugs, through their patience, that children not only love being with them but also learn all the important rules of life in a comfortable and in a happy manner. I am very happy that sometimes when I meet grandparents in the school, I understand that now they explain them something that is beneficial for them and that is a great help to school also. They tell them the importance of offline classes, and not only the classes, they give them some guidance about the life, that yes, life is beautiful, but then life is not a bed of roses. There are ups and downs. All these things are taught by grandparents in a very natural manner, and that is the reason Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan keeps it guides us to celebrate Grandparents' Day because it puts them on that high pedestal. I hope that children will understand and they will continue to respect grandparents. And children, I want to tell you that every day if you touch grandparents' feet and take their blessings, it will be of immense help for you and you will progress in all ways. So with this, I once again congratulate all of you for your contribution in making the day a great success, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Ma'am, that was indeed motivating and extremely informative. We are so honored and privileged to have you amongst us. Thank you, madam, And now let us enter into the saga of music and melody. You would love this day as our team has made a handful of various programs to keep you thrilled and entertained.
आज के इस सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम का आगाज करते हैं विद्यालय के सबसे कोमल, सबसे मासूम और सबसे पवित्र हृदय के साथ अपने दादा दादी, नाना नानी के स्वागत के लिए बेताब कक्षा प्रथम के विद्यार्थी, जिनके बारे में मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, आंखें जिनकी मस्त है, आंखें जिनकी मस्त है, डांस में वो जबरदस्त हैं, स्टडीज़ में जिनका कोई जवाब नहीं, हर काम में जो फर्स्ट हैं। तो प्रस्तुत है कक्षा फर्स्ट के छात्रों द्वारा स्वागत नृत्य।
दादा दादी नाना नानी वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल। दादा दादी नाना नानी वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल। तुम भी खुश हो हम भी खुश हैं, खुश है सारा स्कूल। तुम भी खुश हो हम भी खुश हैं, खुश है सारा स्कूल। मेरी इस जिंदगी में आप बड़े अनमोल, मेरी इस जिंदगी में आप बड़े अनमोल। हमको अच्छे लगते हैं आपके मीठे बोल, हमको अच्छे लगते हैं आपके मीठे बोल। दादा दादी नाना नानी वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल। दादा दादी नाना नानी वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल। तुम भी खुश हो हम भी खुश हैं, खुश है सारा स्कूल। तुम भी खुश हो हम भी खुश हैं, खुश है सारा स्कूल। मम्मी पापा कभी हमें जो डांट भी देते हैं, मम्मी पापा कभी हमें जो डांट भी देते हैं, दादाजी फिर हमको अपनी गोद में लेते हैं। दादाजी फिर हमको अपनी गोद में लेते हैं। समझाते सहलाते हैं बच्चे ही बन जाते हैं, समझाते सहलाते हैं बच्चे ही बन जाते हैं। राजा रानी वाले फिर किस्से हमें सुनाते हैं, राजा रानी वाले फिर किस्से हमें सुनाते हैं। दादा दादी नाना नानी वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल। दादा दादी नाना नानी वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल। तुम भी खुश हो हम भी खुश हैं, खुश है सारा स्कूल। तुम भी खुश हो हम भी खुश हैं, खुश है सारा स्कूल।
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत, स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत।
That was wonderful performance, children. The child who is brought up by his parents and grandparents is doubly prosperous, double from experience, doubly loved, twice enjoyed and twice given value and guidance. Let us view the video on the feelings of our grandparents and grandchildren in the form of photographs sent by them. I thank all the grandparents who took the time and shared their precious moment and memories with us. Grandparents are the lighthouse which shows the ship its way even in the stormy night. Their support, guidance and love makes grandchildren strong. Now I invite Vignesh of class 4th A to express his views about grandparents.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, HM ma'am, teachers, parents, grandparents, and my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate as Grandparents' Day. It is my privilege to welcome all the parents and grandparents of the little and little bigger children studying in this Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumali School. Dada, Dadi, Nana, Nani, welcome to our school. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. Grandparents have ears that really listen, arms that always hug and hold, love that's never ending, and a heart that's made of gold. It is said that the first school of a child is his home, and the teachers are the grandparents of the house. We have learned so much from our grandparents, which we realize when we grow up. Every child should spend more and more time with their grandparents and also help them in their minor tasks. We must value them and respect them for all they have done for us and our parents. Having grandparents is one of the best gifts God has given grandchildren. Thank you, grandpas and grandmas, for the sweet moments. Happy Grandparents' Day to all from A. Vignesh Kumar, Class 4th A. Thank you.
धन्यवाद विघ्नेश। मुझे वो बीते दिन याद आते हैं, बचपन की वो गलियां याद आती हैं, मेरा रूठना और दादी आपका प्यार से मुझे मनाना, दादा आपकी उंगली थामकर मेरा यूं इठलाना। चलो फिर याद करते हैं वो प्यार भरे दिनों को, जहाँ प्यार और सिर्फ दादा दादी आपका प्यार था। जोशना मैम, मेरा यह स्वयं का अनुभव है कि जिन बच्चों का पालन पोषण माता पिता के साथ साथ उनके दादा दादी या नाना नानी के छत्र छाया में होता है, उन्हें जीवन में हर चीज़ दोगुनी मिलती है। दोगुना अनुभव, दोगुना प्यार, दोगुना मजा और दोगुना मार्गदर्शन। वो कहते हैं ना, शिक्षा कहीं से भी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, लेकिन संस्कार हमेशा घर से मिलते हैं। आइए देखते हैं नाट्य प्रस्तुति कक्षा 4वीं व 5वीं के छात्र छात्राओं द्वारा।
रिश्ते अनमोल होते हैं। उन्हीं रिश्तों में एक रिश्ता है दादा दादी का और नाना नानी का, जो बेहद प्यार और स्नेह का रिश्ता है। दादा दादी, नाना नानी परिवार की जड़ें हैं, जो नई पीढ़ियों को अपने अनुभव से सींचते हैं। आज हम इसी रिश्ते के महत्व को एक नाटक द्वारा प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। आइए देखते हैं दो परिवारों की कहानी। पहला परिवार है रोहन का। आइए देखते हैं उनके परिवार में क्या हो रहा है। अरे बहू, जरा चाय लाना। लाई माँ जी। लाई माँ जी, चाय कैसी बनी है? अच्छा है। माँ जी, मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ, रोहन का ध्यान रखिएगा, उसे स्कूल भेज दीजिएगा। अच्छा, ठीक है। रोहन स्कूल के लिए लेट हो रहा है। जी दादी माँ, अभी तैयार होता हूँ। रोहन, मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ, दादा दादी को परेशान मत करना। बाय। उठिए माँ, बाय। रोहन की दादाजी, रोहन को छोड़ दीजिए। ठीक है, मैं रोहन को स्कूल छोड़ा दूँ। चलो रोहन, स्कूल में मन लगाकर पढ़ना और अपने अध्यापक को परेशान मत करना। ठीक है, बाय। रोहन का परिवार एक खुशहाल परिवार है, जहां उनके दादा दादी घर की जिम्मेदारी निभाने में उनकी मदद करते हैं तथा रोहन को संस्कार दे रहे हैं। अब चलते हैं दूसरे परिवार की तरफ, जो है अंश का परिवार। अंश बेटा उठो, स्कूल के लिए रेडी होके स्कूल चले जाना। मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ, बाय। ठीक है माँ। अरे अंश उठो, तुम्हें स्कूल के लिए लेट हो रहा है, जाके तैयार हो जाओ। शरारती बच्चा बनता जा रहा है। हाय बेटा, मैं आ गई। हाय मम्मी, आप आगे चलो, बाहर चलते हैं। नहीं, अभी 5 बज रहे हैं, हम 6 बजे चलेंगे। तब तक तुम अपना होमवर्क कर लो। ठीक है। मम्मी को तो लग रहा है ना होमवर्क कर रहा हूँ, मम्मी को क्या पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। चलो मम्मी, 6 बज गए, चलो। देखिए रोहन कैसे अपने दादा के साथ खुशी से खेल रहा है। एक्सक्यूज मी, आपका बेटा है? अंश, आपको क्या हुआ? लग गई। तुम इसकी देखभाल नहीं करते हो क्या? करती तो हूँ, मगर टाइम ही कहाँ मिलता है। अच्छा, इसके दादा दादी नहीं है? इसके दादा दादी गांव में है। अच्छा, इसको संभाल कर रखो। ठीक है। हेलो। हाँ हेलो, अंश के पापा। हाँ। अंश ना अपनी दादी को बहुत याद कर रहा है, आप उसकी दादी को ले आइए। ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ लेके आने के लिए। आप देख सकते हैं कैसे हमारे दादा दादी घरों में अकेले रहते हैं। हमें उन्हें सम्मान देना चाहिए और उनकी देखभाल करनी चाहिए। कैसे हो माँ? अरे बेटा, तुम आ गए? हाँ, आप मेरे साथ चलिए, अंश आपको बहुत याद कर रहा है। अच्छा, अंश मुझे याद कर रहा है। मैं भी तुम लोगों को बहुत याद कर रही हूँ। मुझे भी अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ रहना है। चलो चलो। आज देखो कौन है? ये बेटा, अब मैं आपके साथ खूब खेलूंगा, खूब मस्ती करूंगा। देखिए आज अपनी दादी माँ से मिलकर कितना खुश है।
अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना,
हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना।
धन्यवाद। आशा है हम अपना संदेश आप तक पहुंचाने में कामयाब हुए। धन्यवाद।
That was a wonderful message, children, that you have passed on. Hope everybody inculcates them in their lives. Music heals, music entertains, music takes us to the heaven. Let us welcome our students for presenting melodious song to express their love to grandparents.
You
बच्चों, आपके मधुर आवाज ने कानों में मिश्री घोल दी। दादा दादी, नाना नानी एक पुस्तकालय है, हमारे बच्चों के निजी गेम सेंटर हैं, सर्वश्रेष्ठ रसोइये हैं और सर्वश्रेष्ठ समर्थन देने वाले व्यक्ति हैं। वे अच्छे शिक्षक भी हैं और बच्चों के प्यार से भरी दुनिया भी है। ये वे महत्वपूर्ण इंसान हैं जिन्होंने न केवल हमारे माता पिता का पालन पोषण किया है, अपितु अपने पूरे जीवन का अनुभव और प्यार अपने नाती पोतों पर सहर्ष निछावर कर दिया है। कक्षा 5वीं अ की साई स्निग्धा आपके समक्ष अपने आभार और प्यार व्यक्त करना चाहती हैं, तो आमंत्रित करूंगी कक्षा 5वीं अ की साई स्निग्धा को।
आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदया, एचएम मैडम, अध्यापकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज मैं साई स्निग्धा कक्षा 5वीं आपके समक्ष अपने दादा दादी के बारे में कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहती हूँ। मैं उनके प्यार और दुलार के लिए उनका धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। मैं भगवान की आभारी हूँ कि मुझे दादा दादी व नाना नानी का प्यार मिला। वे हमारे सुख दुख में हमेशा हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं। दादा दादी बच्चों में अच्छी आदतों और नैतिक मूल्यों का विकास करते हैं। उनका संस्कार हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। दादा दादी का प्यार बहुत ही स्नेहपूर्ण व बेमिसाल होता है। दादा दादी के द्वारा सिखाई गई बातें किसी भी किताब व पुस्तक में या कक्षा में पढ़ने से प्राप्त नहीं हो सकती है। दादा दादी परिवार में मुख्य व मजबूत जड़ के रूप में जाने जाते हैं। वे उनके अनुभव व समझ की वजह से नई पीढ़ियों को आगे बढ़ने में मदद करते हैं। वे निस्वार्थ रूप से अपने पोता पोती व बच्चों की सेवा करते हैं और उन्हें एक बेहतर इंसान बनाते हैं। अपने दादा दादी व नाना नानी के सम्मान में कुछ कविता की पंक्तियां मैं प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ, जो इस प्रकार है। अपनी बाहों के झूले में झुलाया हमको, अपनी बाहों के झूले में झुलाया हमको, अपनी आंसू छुपाकर हंसाया हमको, अपनी आंसू छुपाकर हंसाया हमको। कभी दर्द ना देना उन हस्तियों को, कभी दर्द ना देना उन हस्तियों को। भगवान ने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बनाया जिनको, भगवान ने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बनाया जिनको। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Snigdha, for your views about the importance of grandparents in a family. Now, how about a cinematic dance? To fill our minds with the love for grandparents, here come the team of students with mesmerizing medley.
छोटी कभी बड़ी कभी मोटी बन जाती है।
that was mind-blowing and terrific performance.
सच कहा जोशना मैम, इस जोशीले प्रस्तुति के लिए कक्षा तीसरी, चौथी व पांचवी के छात्र छात्राओं को साधुवाद। अब मैं कक्षा पांचवी ड से भार्गवी को आमंत्रित करूंगी कि वे आएं और अपने दादा दादी नाना नानी के प्रति अपने विचार और कविता प्रस्तुत करें।
नमस्कार आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, एचएम मैडम, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज मैं एम भार्गवी कक्षा 5वीं की छात्र आपके समक्ष एक निबंध लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है दादा दादी, जो कि इस प्रकार है। दादा दादी परिवार के जड़ के रूप में जाने जाते हैं। अपने अनुभव और समझ से नई पीढ़ियों को आगे बढ़ने में उनकी मदद करने के लिए अपने जीवन के मूल्यवान सबकों को साझा करते हैं। वह निस्वार्थ अपने बच्चों और पोता पोती की सेवा करते हैं और उन्हें बेहतर इंसान बनने में उनकी मदद करते हैं। संयुक्त परिवार में रहने वाले बच्चे दादा दादी से जीवन के लिए जरूरी अच्छे नैतिक मूल्यों और अन्य मूल्यवान सबक सीख सकते हैं। यह एक विशेष बंधन है जो दादा दादी अपने पोता पोती के साथ साझा करते हैं और ये सावधानी बरतने से समय के साथ और मजबूत हो जाता है। बच्चों के मानसिक और शारीरिक विकास के लिए संयुक्त परिवार व्यवस्था सबसे अच्छी है। दादा दादी दुनिया में किसी भी परिवार के लिए सबसे अच्छे भावनाओं में से एक हैं। दादा दादी अपने परिवार के लिए समर्थन प्रणाली के रूप में कार्य करते हैं। अंत में मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ, जो कि इस प्रकार है। आप ही से ही है हमारा जीवन रोशन, आप ही से ही है हमारा जीवन रोशन, आप ही ने ही किया है हमारा मार्गदर्शन, आप ही ने ही किया है हमारा मार्गदर्शन। मम्मी पापा के डांट से बचाते हो आप, मम्मी पापा के डांट से बचाते हो आप, हमारी हर जिद को पूरा करते हो आप, हमारी हर जिद को पूरा करते हो आप। भगवान का रूप हो आप, भगवान का रूप हो आप, हर ठंड से बचने वाली धूप हो आप, हर ठंड से बचने वाली धूप हो आप। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Bhargavi, for your valuable views. Wishing grandparents and thanking them on only single day isn't enough, since every single day is a grandparents' day. They are our capless superheroes. Let us listen to what Mrs. Sarama Matthew has to say about grandparents.
When God created grandparents, the world was truly blessed. For grandparents know how to do the things that warm a heart. They touch our lives with loving care right from the very start. Respected Vice Principal Madam, HM Madam, teachers, parents and grandparents and my dear little children. Today we have all gathered here to celebrate Grandparents' Day. And it is my proud privilege to speak a few lines on this occasion. And I thank HM Madam for giving me this opportunity. Grandparents are a little bit parent, a little bit teacher and a little bit your best friend. They play so many roles. They give you unconditional love and support. They are there for you whenever you need them. And whatever they do for us, it cannot be repaid in any form. Children, you are the apple of your grandparents' eyes. They are a blessings from God. They are like angels looking over you every moment of your life. They teach you moral values, they teach you good habits, and they guide you whenever you go wrong. So how are we going to give it back to them? So today we are celebrating Grandparents' Day to show our love and support to them. And I know you have made so many greeting cards to show your love to them. It is not enough to celebrate Grandparents' Day on one day. Every day it has to be celebrated as a Grandparents' Day. How are we going to do it? We are going to do it by loving them, caring them, and spending time with them. Children, take care of your grandparents in their old age and never leave them alone. That is the only way we can return for all their love that they shower on us. So now I want to just tell you a short poem on grandparents. So gentle, good-natured and soft-hearted and grand, ready always with a smile and a warm, helpful hand, admired and regarded as knowledgeable and wise, nurturing their grandchildren to reach for the skies, delightful in their special way, perfect each and every day, always telling stories of how things used to be, reading books, playing games, or listening patiently. Easy going, easy living, enjoying life's pleasures. Never run out of hugs. Truly, grandparents are wonderful in so many ways. Special people who always seem to brighten our lives. In the end, I wish all the grandparents a very happy Grandparents' Day, and my dear children, always be there for your grandparents, and God will bless you. Thank you.
Very true, madam. Grandparents are parents plus teacher plus friend. That was nice that you spoke such high about the grandparents and the importance of grandparents in everybody's lives. Now I invite Mrs. Rangabai to share her views.
Namaste to one and all. Happy Grandparents' Day. I feel very happy to see all of you together, and as it is said, grandparents create memories that the heart holds forever. Grandparents create memories that the heart holds forever. So, dearest grandparents, you truly impart your grandchildren. You have a great amount of life experiences. You greatly reduce the household stress, and you provide the sense of security. You offer an affordable childcare option. You are a valuable resource because you have so many stories and experiences from your own life to share. Often children listen to you even when they are not listening to their parents or other adults. You also offer a link to a child's cultural heritage and family history. A quote to end: grandparents have silver in their hair and gold in their heart. Grandparents have silver in their hair and gold in their hand. And thank you all. Have a great and memorable day today. Thank you.
धन्यवाद मैडम। ना गिनकर सिखाते हैं ना तौलकर सिखाते हैं, ना गिनकर सिखाते हैं ना तौलकर सिखाते हैं। हमारे दादा दादी जब भी सिखाते हैं दिल खोलकर सिखाते हैं। आज जब महामारी की चुनौतियों के बीच हमें यह दादा दादी दिवस ऑनलाइन मोड पर मनाना पड़ रहा है, तो कहीं दिल में एक खटक सी थी कि हम दादा दादी और नाना नानी के आशीर्वचनों से महरूम ना रह जाएं। परंतु हमारे प्यारे दादा दादी और नाना नानियों ने अपने आशीर्वचन हमें वीडियो के थ्रू भेजे हैं। उन्हीं में से कुछ चुनिंदा वीडियो हम आपके साथ साझा करते हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Kinjal Joshi from 4th C. She is my grandmother and he is my grandfather. Today, on the occasion of Grandparents' Day, I would like to give them a card that is made by me.
Oh, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you, beta.
Here I am delighted to receive a beautiful, wonderful card, a greeting card on the occasion of Grandparents' Day. I would like to say that I am lucky to have a granddaughter like her, and she really helps us and she take care of us like anything. And because of her, so many times if I am stuck in electronic something and digital payment, or she helps me for coming out of those difficulties. So being what is called modern girl, and she has learned she is savvy, computer savvy, so she helps us, that helps us, and she is really, I am delighted that I am having a granddaughter like her. I wish all should have same.
किंजल के विषय में क्या अभिव्यक्त करूं मैं। ये बहुत ही प्यारी और हर कार्य में निपुण लड़की है और घर में सभी का ख्याल रखती है। हर कार्य में, चाहे वो किचन का कार्य हो, गार्डनिंग हो, घर का।
my name is Tanmay Shravya. I am studying in class 3A. I am going to introduce my grandparents on occasion of Grandparents' Day. My grandfather's name is V. Sivarama Sastry and my grandmother's name is V. Rama Devi. They will tell few words about myself and my school.
We are very happy as you are remembering us on this occasion, on this day. My granddaughter is studying in your school and we are very happy for the contribution of the services regarding in the school by you and your staff, administration and staff. Thank you very much.
ముఖ్యంగా అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మా మనవరాలు నాగరీతిక కేంద్ర విద్యాలయాలో 4th క్లాస్ చదువుతుంది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్గా నేను ఎంతో సంతోషంగా ఆ స్కూల్ గురించి, ఆ స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు, టీచర్స్, స్టాఫ్ అందరూ కూడా ఈ స్కూల్ ఎంతో బాగా ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు. ఇంతకు ముందు కంటే కూడా ఇప్పుడు గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్ అనేది ఒకప్పుడు ఒక విధంగా ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు 4-5 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఎంతో అభివృద్ధి జరుగుతుంది. టీచర్స్ కూడా పిల్లలకు బాగా శిక్షణ ఇస్తున్నారు. మేము అందరికీ కూడా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఈ కరోనా గురించి పోయిన సంవత్సరం నుంచి కూడా ఆన్లైన్లో మీరు క్లాసులు ఇస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఎంతో క్రమశిక్షణతో మీరు పిల్లలు ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు కాబట్టి సంతోషంగా ఉంది. గత ఈ వారం 10 రోజుల నుంచి కూడా క్లాసుల్లో అటెండ్ అవుతుండ్రు. అది కూడా బాగా శ్రద్ధతోటి మీరు అన్ని అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసి పిల్లలను క్రమశిక్షణలో పెడుతున్నారు కాబట్టి చాలా సంతోషంగా ఈ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ మీటింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టినందుకు ఎంతో బాగుంది. గత 2 సంవత్సరాల కింద నేను ఒకసారి మీ అటెండ్ అయినా, అప్పుడు కంటే కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా వృద్ధిగా బాగా జరుగుతుందని కూడా ఆశిస్తున్నాం. మీ ఈ కేంద్ర విద్యాలయ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారికి, టీచర్స్, స్టాఫ్కు, ఈ అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా ధన్యవాదాలతో నమస్కారం.
అవర్ గ్రాండ్ చిల్డ్రన్ షర్మిత అండ్ శ్రేష్ఠ, they are in my heart and they are always doing their homework every day completed and they are both are perfect, both are intelligent और दोनों भी अच्छा होमवर्क कंप्लीट करते और उनको हम बहुत चाहते हैं. दोनों भी अच्छा देशभक्त के गाने भी गाते हैं. दोनों भी देशभक्त और गायत्री मंत्र का भी गाने भी सुनाते हैं. दोनों अच्छा परफेक्ट है इसमें.
I love my grandparents.
Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय तिरुमलगिरी के विद्यार्थिनी पी संमिता सेकंड सी का दादाजी हूँ. केंद्रीय विद्यालय तिरुमलगिरी प्रिंसिपल मैम, उपाध्याय और सारा कर्मचारियों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम. और आप लोग जो आयोजन कर रहे हैं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और हमें भी बहुत खुशी है कि हमारा पोती नातियों का साथ रहना और हम उनको सूचना देना, वो हमें पूछना हमारा किस्मत की बात है. आज के ज़माने में बच्चों दादा दादी को नहीं देखने वाले भी है और दादा दादी भी दूर रह के बच्चों का साथ ना गुजारने का भी है. इसलिए जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे केंद्रीय विद्यालय तिरुमलगिरी मना रहा है, उसमें जितने भी बच्चों का ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है उनको भी हमारा सादर नमस्कार. क्योंकि केंद्रीय विद्यालय जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से बना रहा है। आजकल इस कोरोना का वजह से हम सब मिलना भी मुश्किल हो गया, इसीलिए और एक बार इस ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से आयोजन करने का जो केंद्रीय विद्यालय तिरुमलगिरी सभी कर्मचारियों को, स्टाफ को, प्रिंसिपल मैडम को हमारा हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grace.
How are you, Grandpa?
I am fine, Grace. వారి యొక్క సమక్షంలో పుట్టినరోజులు పండుగలు జరుపుకోవడం ఎంతో ఆనందంగా సంతోషంగా ఉంటుంది. వారి యొక్క సలహాలను పాటించి వారిని గౌరవించడం మీ యొక్క సాంప్రదాయం, మీ యొక్క ఇది తర్వాత వారి కుటుంబానికి ఎంతో సపోర్ట్ చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తారు. అందువలన గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ డే జరుపుకుని వారికి బహుమతులు ఇవ్వడం మీ యొక్క విధి.
हेलो, नमस्ते.
हेलो, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते, केंद्रीय विद्यालय.
We are grandparents of Kashyap.
I am Sharma.
And I am Prasanna Kumari.
We participated in 2019
grandparents meet before COVID set in and felt very happy during the event. A very good initiative
on your part.
Please keep it up. We met his teachers and friends and familiarized with the school premises. We used to drop and pick up from school several times. Children are closer to grandparents and play an important role during primary education. This event stresses the role of grandparents during their brought up. Thank you for the virtual meet. We wish you all a happy new year in 2022. Thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Started. Hello, good morning to everybody. I am D. Gopal Rao, grandfather of Shishir. I am 60 years old. My date of birth is 3/8/1961. I studied up to 5th standard elementary school Gutierrez. I studied SSC at ZPH school Gutierrez. My native of Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur district, Guji town. Today we are celebrating Grandparents Day. That's why I am making this video. Thank you to all. Bye bye. See you. Anika. Have a nice day to everybody.
నా పేరు మేరీ సులోచన, ఐరన్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్ని. నేను రిటైర్డ్ డిప్యూటీ డిఓని. వాళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదరు సౌభాగ్యరావు ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఇంజనీర్గా రిటైర్ అయ్యారు. మేమిద్దరము కూడా ఇప్పుడు మా ఐరన్ బ్రదరు యాషర్ ఇద్దరిని కూడాను చూసుకుంటూ ఉన్నాము. వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ దూరంగా పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఈ ఇయర్ ఈ విధంగా జరుపుకోవడము చాలా అభినందించాలి. ఎందుకంటే కరోనా వల్ల ఎవరు కూడా ఏ ఫంక్షన్స్ జరపట్లేదు బహిరంగంగా. ఇలా ఫోన్ ద్వారా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇలా జరపడము చాలా ఉత్సాహకరంగా ఉన్నది పేరెంట్స్కి, గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్కి, అందరికీ కూడాను. గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ పేరెంట్స్కి టీచర్స్కి మధ్య బ్రిడ్జ్ లాగా పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఎందుకంటే ముందు కాలంలో గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ చిన్నపిల్లలుగా ఉన్నప్పుడే చూసుకొని తర్వాత వారి ఊర్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయేవారు. మమ్మీ డాడీసే అన్నీ కూడా సమకూర్చుకుంటూ ఉండేవారు. వాళ్ళు ఇద్దరు కూడా ఈ రోజుల్లో ఉద్యోగాలకు వెళ్ళడం వల్ల ఆ పనులన్నీ కూడాను గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ చేయవలసి వస్తుంది. స్కూల్ నుంచి వచ్చినాక వాళ్ళని ట్యూషన్లకు పంపడము, హోంవర్క్ చేయించడము, ఇవన్నీ కూడాను గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ జరిగినటువంటి ప్రోగ్రాంలో నేను పాల్గొన్నాను కూడాను. బహిరంగంగా చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు. ఈ స్కూలు అకాడమిక్ అండ్ నాన్ అకాడమిక్ సబ్జెక్టులలో కూడా చాలా ఉత్సాహకరంగా పిల్లల్ని ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. అందరూ కూడాను మంచి మంచి బహుమతులు స్కూల్లోనే కాకుండా బయట స్కూల్స్తో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి విజేతలుగా నెగ్గుతూ ఉన్నారు. ఇది జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడే అందరూ కూడాను ఇంత మంచి స్కూల్లో అడ్మిషన్ దొరకడం చాలా గ్రేట్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఆయన చదువుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ 4 ఇయర్స్లలో ఆ స్కూల్లో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు, వాళ్ళు ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి పనులు, వాళ్ళని యాక్టివిటీస్లలో పాల్గొనేలాగా ప్రయత్నించడము, ఒకటే కాదు రకరకాల యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. వాటన్నిటినీ కూడాను చాలా చక్కగా చూస్తుంటారు. ఈ స్కూలు ఫుల్ డే స్కూల్ అన్నప్పుడు చాలా చాలా చక్కగా ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళేక హాలిడేస్ లిమిటెడ్స్ టైంలోనే స్కూల్స్ నడుపుతూ ఉన్నా అయినా కూడాను ఆన్లైన్లో ఆ చిన్న పీరియడ్లోనే కావాల్సినవన్నీ కూడాను బోధించగలుగుతూ ఉన్నారు టీచర్లు. అంత చక్కటి అకాడమిక్ టీచర్స్ ఉండడము మా పిల్లల అదృష్టమని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకా బయటకు వెళ్ళి కూడాను వీళ్ళు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తుంటారు. సంగీతము, నాట్యము అటువంటివి కూడాను నేర్పుతూ ఉంటారు. ఇవి అన్ని స్కూల్స్లలో లభించినటువంటి కోర్సులు. గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్లలో అసలు ఇటువంటివి దొరకవు. ఇది కేంద్రీయ విద్యాలయ కాబట్టి అక్కడ నుంచి ఫండ్స్ ఎక్కువ రావడం వలన టీచర్స్ మంచి క్వాలిఫికేషన్ కలిగినటువంటి వారు అవడం వలన చాలా మంచిగా అభివృద్ధి దినదినంగా అభివృద్ధి పొందుతుంది. అంతేకాదు మ్యాగజైన్స్ కూడాను ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ పంపుతూ ఉన్నారు. దాంట్లో పిల్లలు పెద్దలు అందరూ కూడాను పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎన్నెన్ని రంగాలలో ఎన్నెన్ని బహుమతులు పొందారో వాటన్నిటినీ కూడాను పబ్లిష్ చేయగలుగుతూ ఉన్నారు. ఇటువంటి స్కూల్లో మా ఆయనను చదవడము ఇంకా వృద్ధి పొందాలి అని కోరుకుంటున్నాము. మీరందరూ కూడా మీ అందరి యొక్క ప్రోత్సాహంతో వాడు మంచి ఉన్నతమైనటువంటి స్థాయికి రావాలని మీ దీవెనలను కోరుకుంటూ నమస్తున్నాము.
తిరుమలగిరి కేంద్రీయ విద్యాలయం ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి నమస్కారములు. నా పేరు పి విజయ. మా మనవరాలు ఎం సంజిత తిరుమలగిరి కేంద్రీయ విద్యాలయం యందు ఫస్ట్ బిలో చదువుతుంది. తమ విద్యాలయంలో జరుగుతున్న గ్రాండ్స్ పేరెంట్స్ డే మాకు సంతోషం కలిగించింది. మా మనవరాలు గ్రీటింగ్ కార్డు తయారు చేసి ఇచ్చింది. ఇలాంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ ఇంకా పిల్లలకి చెప్పించండి.
No matter what language you speak, a kind and smiling thank you always speaks to everyone's heart. I would like to invite the most energetic, resourceful and charismatic leader, Mrs. Sai Padma, Headmistress KV Tirumalgiri, to present vote of thanks.
Most respected Principal Shri K. Nani Prasad, In charge Principal KV Tirumalgiri and Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya Hakimpet, our Vice Principal Madam Mrs. Mitravinda Rao, my colleagues and the most respected grandparents and my loving children. At the outset, I would like to give a big thank you to all those grandparents who are watching us live across the city, maybe across the state or even across the countries. So wherever you are and from wherever you are watching us, what we need are a shower of blessings from each and every one of you. Thank you for watching us and thank you for blessing us and joining us into this virtual Grandparents' Day celebrations in big numbers. Thank you very much, grandparents. As I say, grandparents, the word itself is so grand, and you are the bridge between the future and the past, and all of our culture, our traditions, our the rituals, everything that, and the way of life, whatever we do is being transferred from generations to generations, and this transfer of information, transfer of knowledge and transfer of all the other inputs that are required for the holistic development of a child's personality can be done by none other than the grandparents. You are the destiny. It is told that the destiny of the country is shaped in its classrooms, but actually I would like to add that the seeds of good manners, the value system, and what is expected out of a cultured and of a responsible person is being sown. These seeds are being sown by the grandparents. So it is you, the grandparents, who are making it big in the lives of your grandchildren. So a big salute to all the grandparents who are watching us live today, and also all those who are not able to make it. Despite the pandemic, Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalaggiri always wanted to do its best to the welfare of the children, and because grandparents form a major, a very important, they play a very important role in the life of the grandchildren. So we thought this day should not be missed. Spend a day with you, enjoy your presence with us, and we also would love to see the happiness on your face as you walk down the memory lane and talk many more things out of your rich experience. So I also thank my principal, Sri Nani Prasad, who has given a nod as soon as I came up with this proposal of Virtual Grandparents' Day. Thank you very much, sir, for giving all the required support. I take this opportunity to thank our Vice Principal Madam, Mrs. Mitra, for everything. I will be failing in my duty if I don't thank my primary teachers who have put in a lot of effort in bringing out this colorful program for you. They have, despite the pandemic, despite all the restrictions, despite online classes and also offline classes, my teachers delivered the best, and they saw to it that the children performed in the best way possible. I thank all my teachers who are involved in this program directly and indirectly, and who made this program a good one, a worth one, that is that can be presented to all these great personalities. Thank you very much, teachers. My special thanks, my appreciation and my love and blessings to my computer teacher, Mrs. Santoshi Priya, who has really worked hard, and it was but for her hard work, this program wouldn't have been possible at all. And I really mean what I am saying, and I really wish her all the very best in all her future endeavors. A big thank you and my blessings to Santoshi Madam. Last but definitely not the least, I would like to thank the children, my little ones, who have braved the pandemic, who came up in good numbers, who came despite their schedule. It was not their schedule to come to school, but still they had come to school. They have cooperated with us, and they made sure that they have presented their best in today's program. And I'll be thanking their parents as well, who took the trouble of bringing them to the school as and when the teachers have asked, and to meet I have to thank their success. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
That was all about the event. I hope you all enjoyed the mesmerizing occasion. I, on behalf of KV Tirmalgiri, thank you all for coming and remaining with us during this delighting event. I thank you all for spending your valuable time here and encouraging young minds. I thank the dynamic principal, HM Madam, teachers and students for making this day even more colorful.
आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि कृपया राष्ट्रगीत के सम्मान में खड़े हो जाएं।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।